Okay, so now that we've gotten the fuel line cut, everything tightened up, it's time to push the fuel rail in place. So what you want to do is just put the bolts on, just slightly snug the nuts on the studs. Place your Allen headed bolts on there. Make sure that they're with the thick fender washers that are included. And then we're going to spin these down. Again, just snug. Double check that everything's seated. Then get everything tightened up. Okay. After that, you're going to lay your fuel injector harness on. They have their corresponding numbers. They're going to get laid on. But other than that, as best practices, cycle the key like 5 to 10 times. Bring your fuel pressure up. And then check for leaks before you put everything back together. If something's leaking, it's got to be torn apart. Maybe you rolled an O-ring, whatever. But anyway, that's the setup for how to install one of these billet fuel rails. Pretty simple. The only real modification needed is to cut the fuel line. Pull this loose to show that just in detail. So, in detail, that's basically what you end up with. You just need to make the transition from your stock hard steel line to this barb fitting with this flexible hose. It's just the most practical way to do it with this compression fitting that's included in the kit. And that's basically all that you need. That's the only real modification. Other than that, bolt everything down, get your upper plenum on, and you're good to go. All right.